Hey guys, welcome back and happy Sunday. Today I'm going to be sharing with you this delicious Sunday meal that you can pull together really quickly, and it's just jammed and packed with so much of flavor. So if you're looking for like one of those meals that you can just put together really quickly and it tastes really wonderful and your family's going to be raving on and on about it, this is definitely one of those meals. I call it like a one pot chicken and rice, but I heard other people call it different names. I'm also going to go into my living room area. Whenever we're finished with dinner, we tend to kind of navigate over towards this area to kind of sit down and watch TV and enjoy ourselves. So I'm going to go ahead and just get it spruced up for the next week ahead of us and get it all nice, tidy, and clean. So if you're in the mood for some good Sunday dinner, something that's delicious and really easy to make, and you're also looking for a tad bit of cleaning motivation, I'm glad that you're here with me. Let's go ahead and jump right on into it.